Assalamualaikum. Today I want to explain about compressor in gas turbine. Okay, firstly, what is compressor? The function of compressor is to provide a high temperature which can be heated in volume, so they can provide combustion, and the combustion system will expand and transfer to the gas turbine. Okay. For the compressor section, we have two sections, which is firstly we use for compressor is centrifugal compressor, and the second one we use axial compressor. Okay, firstly I want to explain about centrifugal compressor. Centrifugal compressor consists of three components, which is impeller, diffuser, and manifold. Okay, for the operation for centrifugal, impeller will suck the low velocity side, this one, and the low velocity will be high velocity when the impeller turn the shaft, and it will become high velocity. Okay, for the impeller, the pressure will suck or transfer into the diffuser, and diffuser will convert the high velocity low pressure into the low velocity and high pressure, which is it will turn the kinetic energy into pressure energy, which need for the combustion assist. Okay, the manifold will guide the pressure energy to the combustion chamber. Okay, this one the when the component for the distributor mix together, the shaft will turn and the air will suck into the impeller. Impeller will turn with certain RPM, and the kinetic energy will suck with diffuser. Diffuser will transfer into manifold and provide the combustion. Okay, this one for the combustion. Okay, for the centrifugal, we use the centrifugal system only for the small turbine engine, such as turbo shaft for the aircraft, because for the centrifugal, the advantage of for the centrifugal, the foreign object image, which is FOD, will not suck into the engine, so it will save. But the efficiency is more or less compared to the axial compressor. Okay, next one. I will explain about axial compressor. For the axial compressor, we use two types. The main component for the axial compressor, which is rotor and stator. The rotor will turn, and the stator, the function for the stator is just to guide the airflow, so that we can, the function of the stator will guide the airflow, so that we can control the velocity and pressure. course, when the airflow flow stage by stage, the velocity will decrease. So we want the efficiency so that we use stator, so the velocity will decrease slightly, so we can achieve the high pressure and will be make the highest efficiency that will help the combustion for occur. Okay. For the axial compressor, we can achieve the ratio efficiency which is 40 to 1. That means we can use for biggest operation, such as for the aircraft, turbofan, turbojet, and so on. But for the axial compressor, the disadvantage is the FOD will enter the component, so it will make the back engine rupture, wear, and so on. Okay. For the